Hi, good day again, YouTubers and fellow collectors. Today we'll be reviewing and unboxing this beautiful car by Matchbox. This is the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. So this is a very beautiful car again. So let's start the unboxing right now. By the way, this has excellent photo here on the card. So let's open this one. So here's the car, here's the truck. So what I like about this one is that you just can't see a lot of cars with 6 wheels. So this is an extra cost, but they kept the price the same with other Matchbox. So that's a good job there by Matchbox. And another detail here is that it has a spare tire at the back. And like most spare tires, it has different color than the tires used. So it has an all black color here, while this one has a white outline. You can also see a Matchbox tampo here at the back. So I really like the white tampo here at the side, because it cuts the white paint of the car. Here's the front part of the car. There's a Mercedes logo here, which is detailed. Also the headlight is also detailed. So it has a black tint. Again, just like any other Matchbox, it has good outlines. So this has plastic base and a metal body. So I think this is the first G63 vehicle that they made. I'm not quite sure, and I think Hotwheels also don't have a license for this vehicle. If I'm wrong, kindly comment below. So it says here V8. So in real life, this has a V8 engine. Let's see. So it doesn't have suspension. This vehicle is pretty light. Probably has the same weight as the Matchbox G-Wagon. So I have here an old Hot Wheels truck. This is heavier. So this is a really beautiful car. By the way, I only got this for less than $2, which is, I know that's expensive there in the US, but in my place that's pretty cheap already for a Matchbox, and even for Hot Wheels car. So I'll show more videos, more closer look of the car, so please enjoy. Here's a closer look of the car. You can see there the details on the front side of the car. Here's the side view of the car. Good details overall. I really like the way Matchbox designed their wheels. So at the back it says G63 and AMG 6x6. So it has front and rear tampos. Again, you can see here the spare tire. Really cool car from Matchbox. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my review and unboxing of the Matchbox G63 AMG 6x6 truck. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more of my videos and updates soon. Thank you and goodbye.